Looking to quickly add friends on Telegram using their phone number. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to seamlessly connect with someone on Telegram. No confusion, no hassle. By the end, you'll know not only how to add someone, but why each part of the process is important for keeping your contacts organized and making sure you never miss a message from the people who matter to you. Let's get started. First, before you do anything inside Telegram itself, the most important step is making sure your friend's phone number is saved correctly in your phone's address book. Telegram pulls your friends from your existing contacts, so this really is the foundation. Open your Contacts app. On iPhone it's called Contacts, on Android it might be called People or just Contacts, and add your friend's full name and their complete phone number. Here's a little tip: double check that you include the correct country code at the start of the number. For example, if your friend is in the US, the number should begin with +1. This tiny detail makes a big difference, especially if your friend lives overseas or travels a lot. If you skip the country code, Telegram might not recognize the number properly and your friend just won't show up. Once the contact is saved, go ahead and launch the Telegram app. Just tap the Telegram icon like you normally do, nothing complicated here. If this is your first time syncing contacts, or if you're not seeing your friend in Telegram, we'll make sure everything is set up. Here's how: look for the menu icon, which is usually 3 little horizontal lines in the top corner, or a gear icon if you're on iOS. Tap that to bring up Telegram settings. Next, navigate to Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram connects to your phone. Find the section called Privacy and Security. Sometimes, the menu layout is a little different depending on whether you're using iPhone or Android, but you're generally looking for an option around data and storage. Once you're in there, make sure Sync Contacts is enabled. This is the switch that tells Telegram to keep your phone's address book connected with the app, so it can automatically show you which of your saved contacts use Telegram. If you ever change your friend's number or add new people, Telegram will keep syncing so everyone stays up to date. If you don't see Sync Contacts right away, try scrolling down in the Data and Storage settings. Sometimes it hides a little below the fold. After making sure contact syncing is turned on, Telegram will do its work quietly in the background. Sometimes this process takes a few moments. Don't worry if you don't see a new contact pop up instantly. If you just added someone, give it a few seconds or try closing the app and opening it again. That usually helps if you're in a rush. Now, to find your friend in Telegram, head over to the Main Chats tab. This is your home base in the app. Look for the new message icon, usually a pencil inside a circle, floating near the bottom corner on most devices. Tap it and Telegram will show you your contact list, but with a helpful twist. Anyone who already uses Telegram will appear right at the top. You should see your friend's name and their Telegram profile picture if they've set one. From here, just tap their name to start a chat, send a sticker, or share whatever you like. If your friend doesn't show up right away at the top, double-check the number you saved and make sure they've actually registered on Telegram with that phone number. It's easy to miss a digit, so this might be a good time to verify with them. That's it, you've successfully added your friend on Telegram. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to see a tutorial on. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.